noticed how fast the price of everything is increasing? Jeez. Last week, I saw a good offer for a mentorship program that I really needed. It was $150. I kind of started thinking twice about getting in, and I didn't sign up for a couple days because I thought it was kind of too high. But at the end of the week, guess what? As conservative as I tried to be, I still noticed that I ended up spending more than $200. And I couldn't even account for it. The first thing I did was to grab my laptop and made the payment for that mentorship program. Fast. No way I can be spending this much money and not be working on creating as many income streams as possible. And neither should you. And let me tell you one simple truth. That money you refuse to invest in your personal development, you will still end up spending it. The difference is, investing in yourself is like planting a seed today. It will yield fruits eventually. And do you know the name of that fruit? Your financial freedom. So when it comes to getting started on anything that can propel you forward, especially in this economy, don't even think twice.